Hi Year 2, so this is our maths for Monday the 1st of February. Following on our theme, so we've looked at counting in 2's, 5's and 10's. Today we're going to look at counting up in 3's and down, maybe, increasing and decreasing. So, quick recap, counting forwards means to count on, the numbers get bigger or greater. Counting backwards means to count back and the numbers get smaller. A sequence is a series of number or images that follow a set or pattern. Right, so this is just a quick recap. Arlo's trainers are on his bedroom floor. His mum has asked him to pick him up. How many trainers does he need to pick up? So what I want you to start thinking about now we are in year 2 is what is the most effective way of counting the trainers. So instead of counting them in ones, we know there's pairs here. And we can count up in 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. However, today we're not going to be counting in 2's, we're going to be counting in 3's. Okie doke. If we want to count the total number of legs on the stools, we can count them in ones, or we can, when we eventually learn to count in 3's, we can count on up in 3's. So if you can see here, everybody, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So this sequence here is counting up in 3's, which is what we're going to be focusing on today. Then another representation on a number line, if we're to count in 3's, this is what it would look like. So you're skipping to every third number. So counting up 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. As with all number sequences, we try and look for patterns. So if you have your splat square or your number square, we can see the pattern that emerges. And the pattern when you're looking at counting in 3's is actually really nice because it goes down sort of in lines here and there and there. And you can count in 3's from any number. So starting at 72, and this is counting up in 3's as well. Right, let's have a look at these questions together. It says use the number lines to find the next numbers in each sequence. So we've got 24, 27, 30, and then you're trying to find the next number. So 30 is going to be 33, 36, and 39. And then from 51, so 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and then 60. And then we can check if we're right. Very good. And that just highlights how you skip to your next number when you are counting up in 3's. Obviously, when we're counting backwards, we're taking away 3 each time. And on a number line, counting backwards in 3's looks like this. So again, you're skipping to every third number. And you can also use your number grid to help you count backwards in 3's from any number. Like I said before, when we're counting in 2's, 5's and 10's, if you do want to have your number grid up, that's absolutely fine. Okay. So it says use the number grid to continue the sequences below. So now we're going to look at counting back. So what I would do, I would find 48 because we know that these numbers are decreasing, and look for the next number in the sequence as you're counting down in 3. So we've got 48, 45, 42, and 39. And then this one here, look for the 30. We've got 27, 24, and 21. And that just shows you the answers there. Okay, final one I'm going to go through. When you are completing sequences, remember to check if the numbers are increasing or decreasing. So we've got 15, 18, 21. So those numbers are obviously getting bigger. However, this one, 18, 15, 12, those numbers are decreasing, they're getting smaller. And then this just shows you using your number line, your frog jumps. Okay, let's have a look at these sequences. So I'll be thinking at home as well. So we've got 33, 30, 27. What's your next number going to be? 24, 21, 18. And then this one is increasing. So we've got 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and 27. There we go. Okie doke. So you've got different examples of questions for your counting in threes today. Use your spat square if you need to, your number square, and just try your best. I think this is relatively new learning, so just take your time. And if you are needing any help, give me a shout and I will try to help as best I can. Okie doke, everybody. Thank you.